understand this very evening. We are facing a very formidable array of enemies, both external and within. And we are going to overcome each and every one of these obstacles. That I can assure you. That they may know that the God we worship is an invisible God, not a God that was wrought by the hands of men. For we do not worship idol, and we can never ever worship idol. Is impossible. This very family, this IPOB, belongs to the Most High. And that is how it's going to be until Biafra comes and beyond to eternity. This evening, I want to place it on record that our enemies are intensifying their attack against us from every corner. I am not saying this as lamentation or complaints. I am only trying to prepare our people for what is to come. You are being prepared for what is to come. The time has come to separate the chaff from the wheat itself. Our march is very, very near. The enemies are trembling, they are quaking, they are doing all they can to try to stop us. But they have failed very woefully, and they will continue to fail. But I want to tell you that we are getting attacks from everywhere all over the world. And very soon, they will buy over some of you. They will buy some of you over. The spirit of Oba, Biasika, and Ifajuna are still in some of you. When the time comes, they will buy you over. I am not doing this program tonight to ask all of you to be strong. I am doing it to remind you, not that if they succeed in buying you over, you're not going to stop what we're doing. You can't. You cannot. Not in a trillion years.
And anybody receiving anything from Ngọzi, we go down. And anybody receiving anything from Ngọzi, we go down. And anybody receiving anything from Ngọzi, we go down. And anybody receiving anything from Ngọzi, we go down. And anybody receiving anything from Ngọzi, we go down. And anybody receiving anything from Ngọzi, we go down.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Shiburobi, known as the Great Seer or the Seer of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. I have come to expose the enemies, as we may say, so that we can unite ourselves. Without exposing those who are sabotaging this very struggle, we cannot unite ourselves. We need unity to forge ahead. If you listen to the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he said, we are facing a formidable array of enemy. Do you know what it means? And they are attacking us from all corners. And very soon they will buy most of you. Most of you are being bought over. Without knowing, they will deceive most of you. Are they not deceiving most of you? We are facing a formidable array of enemy. What is a formidable array of enemy? Those who have determined to crush us, those who have determined to stop us, those whose determination is to stop the restoration of Biafra, those whose determination is to crush and quench Biafra restoration, those whose determination is to see that Biafra never comes. Those are the formidable array of enemies being talked about. So are you dancing in their tune? Are you on the side of the formidable array of the enemies? Are you on their side? Are you catching a glimpse of what is this very freedom is all about? Are you getting on the side of the formidable arrays of enemies? Are you playing with them, playing with fire? Those are the questions that we need to be asking ourselves. Those are the questions that we need in every honesty and in every sincerity to ask ourselves. Are we on their side? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, just like a prophet, hit the nail on the head. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, those who are not against us are with us. Those who are not against us are with us. And the enemy of my enemy is my friend. Enemy of my enemy is my friend. Are you getting it? Now let me break it down. Musa is crying. Musa is crying. Those who made Musa to cry, the people who claim that they are in freedom fighters are now calling them criminals. I tag this very freedom. I made a program yesterday, so I tag it exposing Gentle and Butoza. Somebody came and said, oh, and was disappointed. The person wrote, oh, I came thinking that you have repented, not knowing that you are irredeemable. So my title is exposing Butoza and Gentle. So the person now said he or she came to listen to me thinking that I have repented. So the headline is the repentance. Anybody attacking Gentle and Butoza have repented to them. Do you see? The enemy of my enemy is my friend. Those who have made Musa to cry are now being rubbish. Preach against them. And people, children of perdition, children of backwardness, children of starvation, children of hunger, children that hunger have dealt with to the point that they cannot focus on their own freedom anymore. They are looking for crumb from YouTube. How much can YouTube give to us? Oh, if we press our PPPM, Dr. Ngọzi Orabueze, if we praise her, people will come and watch. Oh, she have many mementos. She have the people that will come and watch and say, oh, you are doing well. So let us continue to support her to crush these very men. Because if we do not support her, nobody will watch us. Biafra struggle have gone from people supporting Biafra to people going against Biafra unknowingly. I am Nwashigburobi, please. The preaching that I have brought here is nothing but the undiluted. Undiluted eziokwu nke Chukwu Okike Abiama, the creator of heaven and earth, upon whom and to whom alone all glory and all honor must be unto and not man. Oh, thank God. Elohim, the creator of heaven and earth, I am seeing the light. The light is coming, the people of Biafra. The light is coming. The light is coming. On the course of this very preaching, I am seeing the light. We are heading towards the end of the tunnel. It is only those who stand firmly that can test the end of time. Attacking your men on the ground is not fighting for freedom. Stopping the restoration is not fighting for freedom. Supporting Ebubago is not fighting for freedom. Supporting Okpontunuruago, imagine Okpontunuruago. But risking the Nnewi is now a repented person among the person that have insulted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Simon Ekpa in the highest esteem, even after their kidnap, is now working with USB. And you cannot open your eyes to see the reality. You want me to support you in order to bring down the children of Chukwu Okike Abiama, bring down the freedom. You want me to be on the side of your Iberiberism. You want me to be on the side of your foolishness. You want me to be on the side of your lopsidedness. So if I'm not on that side, oh, you are blind seer. You don't see anything. They think that throws can bring me down. I am fueled in the spirit. Because my own freedom is not Adadiora Mwanyi isi ocha in China, Adadiora Mwanyi isi ocha in Congo, Adadiora Mwanyi isi ocha in Ivory Coast, Adadiora Mwanyi isi ocha in France. So if my own preaching is not like that, I am not preaching the freedom. you can ask yourself, what are the fruits? What are the things that they tell you when you listen to them all the time? I have tried to listen to the craps that people send to me. I try to listen to them, and I don't get anything. Talking absolutely rubbish can never give you freedom. The enemies have arrived. They are in Okigwe, bombardment all the time, abduction all the time. Our own people no longer feel safe. Our villages are being deserted. Our people run away from their ancestral land. No food, no water, no life. They struggle just like in animal kingdom, where animals that are less power struggle for survival. They flee from the other animals that have strength more than them. They flee to where they can be able to survive. Just like that. Is that not what we are seeing in 21st century? And people want this to be the norms. I am Nwashiburobi, please. And the truth that I preach here is nothing but the undiluted. Eziokwu nke Chineke ana-akọ mmiri, eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. I have come not because I hate you. I have come to tell you the truth. You must hit the like button and share. If you love the truth that comes from this very platform, your own work is to hit the like button and share this very program. Share it to your WhatsApp subscribers. Let them know that the truth is bitter. Let them know. There is nothing in this planet Earth that is bitter than the truth. The truth is bitter. So when you listen to the government, USB is now, bring men on the ground to buy. And who are they looking for? Those whom the Nigerian military are looking for. So are they now in support of Biafra, or are they in support of Nigerian government? Nigerian military declared them. Don't forget, Nigerian military put bounty upon the heads of these very people. 50-something million. And the recent how many million that they put in on their heads. Now USB is now looking for their heads also. Oh, they are not loyal to us. They are not loyal to us. Everything is loyalty. What have you done for people of Biafra? Feeding men, feeding the church of God, 0%. None of you people are giving them 1 naira to eat. And they are running propaganda against your people are fools. I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi. The truth that I have brought is undilutedly. I insult you to anger you to have a rethink. If my insult pains you, you must have a rethink. I do not hate you. I do not want you to buy. I want you to be saved. I want you to start thinking, where have you gotten it all wrong? Freedom is number 1. Freedom is sacrosanct. Ask yourself, are you on the line of freedom? Or are you obstructing your own freedom? Is what I am doing today giving me freedom? Or is what I am doing today obstructing my own freedom? That should be the question on your lips. That should be the question everywhere. That should be the question that you must ask yourself. Am I on the right side of history? Am I on the right side of the freedom, of the restoration of Biafra? That is one question that rings a bell. So if you are not talking about, you don't want to support USB, you are not supporting USB, then you talk, Biafra United, Biafra United, Biafra United. If they leave that place, Oge Nkere, Oge Nkere, Oge Nkere, if they leave, this, all the groups is where they call their names. Imam Madabu, Imam Madabu, Imam Madabu, all the groups. I'm not supporting any one of these very people, but one thing that I have found from these backward people called USB is that they never ever support anything that is working. They play propaganda. To deceive you, they will tell you, we are now in government now. We are now in government now. If they talk nonsense and they get tired of talking nonsense, to confuse you the more, they will tell you, oh, we are now in government now. You are now in government. How many people? Your people are being abducted in the Biafra land. You are now in government. You have no army. In the government, no one of your army, in the USB, is going there. You keep on claiming the people that are not under you. DOS nwere ndị nke ha. Why are you not saying, oh, the DOS is our people. They are our people. Anyway, the reason why you are not saying that is because the DOS are working with your people. DOS are working with your people. Who is Caterpillar? Who is Obontonu Uruago? They are with you. Who is Sapele? They are all with you. And people contribute money. People contribute money for their own freedom to seize. People contribute money for them not to move forward in their own freedom. You are not doing to me. You are doing to your own self. Are you doing to Onyebuchi Ashiburobi? Can all these things, all this nonsense that you talk every time obstruct me? The answer is no. Those nonsense have no power over me. I am telling you the absolutely truth. It has no power over me. You are the one deceiving yourself that the nonsense that you are talking has power over me. It has no single power over me. I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, please. Preaching nothing but the undiluted. Iziokwu nke Chineke na-akọ mmiri. Iziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. That you don't know that I'm speaking the undiluted truth does not mean anything. It simply means that those of you who hated the truth are in for a shock. You must listen. That you don't know that I'm speaking the undiluted truth does not mean anything, please. It doesn't mean anything. It simply means that most of you are backward. And most of you do not understand the truth. Most of you hated the truth. And most of you can go extra mile in order to make sure that you bring down truth. I love every one of you. I do not hate you. But you must have a rethink. Who am I supporting? What are they doing? Now, there is one place that you see Oge Nkere saying anybody receiving anything from Ngọzi Orabueze will go down. Should I analyze that place for you? I am not in support of anybody here on this very platform. But that particular word, I am now beginning to love it. I am now beginning to love that particular word. Do you know why? The funding of this very USB is not to get Biafra, but their funding is to get Butuzo and Gentle down. It has started right from that leak voice from our sister Adadi Oramma, where she claimed that Rabbi Yaba Butuzo. Without much ado, then they have a spy who is giving the information of Butuzo, General Butuzo, to Ngọzi Orabueze in the person of Thunder and other people that I will not mention their names, both the people that have died and the people that are still living. The attempt and the target is, get us how many weapons you have in that camp, how many tangos that you have, how many people confronting us that you have. Pull up assassination attempt from inside. That is the number one. But today, those of them are loving to kiss the dust. They love the dust now. They are kissing it. It's not by my own making. I do not support it. But it is karma who is rewarding the people that love sabotage. I do not support violence of any type, shape, or form. This very platform do not support violence of any type, shape, or form. But you know, in life, karma is real. Whatever you do, karma awaits you. Karma awaits you. So you can never run away from karma. No matter what you pretend or no matter what you do, karma awaits each and every one of you. So, after talking too much to hunt Butozo and General Gento, this thing now that is happening now, I envisaged it long ago. I am the person that came out to say, each time that these very people talks to me, it will be, thank you for attacking these men on the ground. Thank you. We love it. They'll go more. They will give me program. First, the person that gave me one of the program men on the ground, they exposed them, attacked them, was one evening that I was tired. One man called and was shedding more light, telling me this man, oh, remember that Pope did this, expose them, Pope did that, expose them. Oh, this and that, you have a voice, you can go and expose. And I know that is one thing that they are equally doing to all these very people. Most of them are getting tired of what they support. Can you eat the bad money in peace? You cannot eat it in peace. You can never spend that bad money that they give to you in peace. You will always have a regret with the bad money you get. I'm letting you to know. My name again still remain Onyebuchinwa Ashigburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. You will always have a regret with those bad money that they sell to you. You will always have a regret. And that regret is what awaits you. It faces you. On your face, it shines touch on your face. It alerts you to know that evil never pays. Is there any time that evil pays? The answer is no. Evil does not pay. And evil will never pay. Evil can never pay you as a person. Evil will never pay you as a person. And evil can never pay you as a person. So, anybody receiving anything from doctor without doctorate degree, Dr. Ngọzi Orabueze, will go down. Is thunder? Where is thunder today? Where are they today? There were a lot that were paid with the mission terminate men on the ground, to the point that a soldier left with too many hefty men in the camp and came back alone, saying that they ambushed those men and pied them. Only you. It is well. We are preaching nothing but the undiluted. Undiluted eziokwu nke a na-akọ mmiri. We go nowhere. That some people want me to go against the men because immediately I start, Butozo is a criminal. Janto is a criminal. Adadi Aramma is nwanyi isi ọcha, Arando ocha. Biafra United is evil. Who again? Immediately I start it. Hey, I then turn to original. But will this give you your freedom? Labeling your own people, the finest among the finest, labeling them, will they give you your own freedom? Will it give you your own freedom? The answer is no. it can never give you your own freedom. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. If any one of you receive anything from Ngọzi, you will go down. This was the words of Oge Nkere. Today is it not happening? I am not in support of anybody, please, on this very platform. This very platform is independent and not in support of anybody. But today, is it happening or not? The answer is yes. So why are they funding some selective people? They will go at the back and fund ordinary guys in the camp, telling them, get us the information of Butozo, get us the information of Gentle. Then, in their programs, said, we are funding Butozo, we are funding Gentle. It is a clear case criminality that our own people are watching. It's happening before them. But they can never do anything because our own people have become OES member. They have become more backward like the Fulanese. They have become more backward like the Hausa people that the Fulanese subdued. Hausa was a great nation. The first tribe on the face of the planet Earth to produce a gun when the Europe was in their dark ages. The Hausa people were the first on planet Earth to produce a gun. Today they have changed it in the Google. They are now writing the name of a white man. But the truth remains that the first place that gun was founded was in the north. That marveled the colonial masters to the brain of these very people. Today, they are now backward. Fulani subdued them. Is that what you want? Do you want us to be subdued? Do you want us to be backward? Do you want our race to be OES members? Do you want us to go into extinction? If you don't want us to go into extinction, you need to open your eyes and ask yourself, from December till now, what achievement have USB achieved? Other ones have gone very far than USB. Other ones. I'm not supporting anybody, please. But other ones are manageable than USB. We need to be sincere in this very freedom. This is freedom for survival. Freedom of the survival of the Biafra people. And we need to stand on our feet. We need to proclaim what we want. We need to stand on our feet to proclaim what we want. And what we want is freedom. What we desire is freedom. What we speak of is freedom. Nobody should tell us otherwise of what we want. As a people, we truly know what we want. And what we want is freedom of the land of Biafra. Freedom of the people of Chukwu Okuke Abiyama on the face of the planet Earth. That is the freedom that we need. And that is the freedom that we so desired. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke ana-akọ mmiri. That is one thing that I have brought to you, my brothers and sisters, to participate and partake in this Eziokwu nke ana-akọ mmiri, Eziokwu of the Most High, for you to know that freedom is white. Freedom is not black. Freedom is whiter than white, and we must speak freedom, talk freedom, eat freedom. I do not hate anyone. I fight for my own freedom, irregardless of whose oath is God. I still remain your one and only Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi. From me, and I will tell you one thing, open your eyes. What achievements have this USB done? Now they are now engineering you. Go after your men on the ground. go after the pastors. It is now gentle criminal, but also criminal. Ask yourself, if USB in 1 year cannot produce anybody. I saw one idiot that was produced on, he was asking, gentle, you are now talking to your superior DPPM. When did you join this very freedom? During the Eastern Security Network, where were you? I looked at the guy, because the guy is a nobody, he's a moron. The guy is absolutely a nobody. This is how they carry phone, give to idiots. They broadcast nothing but attacks. Now, gentle that he is asking, where were you during the Eastern Security Network? The madam on a Kuokuya, where was she? She just came yesterday and wants to buy all these very men. Where was she? What have she done? If she on camera, our men on the ground will legitimize the Nigerian terrorists. Where is your men on the ground? Have you asked yourself? You cannot ask yourself that particular question. Where is the man that will legitimize the Nigerian terrorists that this woman is telling you? The people that she still posts as her men on the ground is the Saint Gentle, which have warned her a long time ago that we are not working with you. They used to say it, sing it like a music. You don't fund us. We are not working with you. Even she have come out to say that she's not working with them because they are not loyal to her. Why are you still posting them as your men on the ground? Is that not a case of 419? Is that not a case of 419, if I may ask most of you? And on 419 in 21st century. Now, you are asking somebody who followed the Ikonso. If I ask that Okbonu making that particular video, which year was ESN started? When they started ESN, not when it was officially launched. He cannot tell me. For those of us that went, do you know our efforts? In the land of Biafra, he was asking, do you know how school formations are? Do you know what anything about those school formations? Do you know anything? I just look some criminals, take phone, make video. The school formation of Eastern Security Network, do you know anything? Do you know the pioneers of the camp in the land of Biafra? Do you know those who contribute their time going from everywhere looking for camps? You just on camera and talk rubbish because you people want followership. And to you, and they deceive, you will ask them after 1 year, where is their men on the ground? If they want to fight for Biafra, then they want to deceive you to fight and demolish these your men on the ground. It will clear to your eyes after deceiving you. Okwana he me 247 nanya, it will still clear. That juju, that ogun, nanya, that bread kupa ishia socket belongs here to our republic or your phone nanya. From me from here, from the temple of the grace you know mena manana nanke ikpeazu a nkete okirikiri onye na agba ukwu ose anaghị arị elu otu ọkpọ ahụ eti ala maka ala dị mbuli ụjọ dị atọ afọ ya bụrụ ụzọ onye ha na chi ya so nwee ihe pụrụ ime ya. From the temple of the grace here onye o mere amanana, I have to say one more again. I said this yesterday. There will be bomb blast in UK in a football pitch. Tell your people, if you have anybody, that the days ahead are evil. The Islamic Caliphate wants to take over UK, first by installing fear in the minds of people. My name again still remains your one and only Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, preaching nothing but the undiluted truths. And from me from here, from the temple of the grace here, it is good morning. Share this very program and hit the like button as well. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.